Did you know that sometimes old typewriters can hold dangerous secrets? In Teddyville, Teddy the superhero dog was about to learn this the hard way. It started in the library when an old typewriter began typing by itself. Whatever words appeared on paper became real. First, hamburgers rained from the sky. Then gravity flipped upside down, sending confused citizens floating. But things got scary fast. The typewriter typed building collapse, and buildings started crumbling. Time freeze made everyone stop moving like statues. Memory erasure made people forget their own names. Teddy discovered the truth. An angry, rejected author's spirit was trapped inside, seeking revenge by rewriting reality itself. The typing got faster and more dangerous. Teddy dodged falling objects and reality-bending chaos as he raced toward the typewriter. Just as it began typing, Teddyville disappears forever. Teddy used his super strength to grab it. With only seconds left before the town vanished completely, our hero dog smashed the typewriter to pieces. The typing stopped. Teddyville was saved, and reality returned to normal.